Oh man, I'm excited about this. Okay, let me take my nice coat off. By the way, isn't this shirt like the coolest? It says, boots are like potato chips, you can't just have one. And that's like the truest, right? I am super excited about today because I don't have the tools to harvest ducks. Like I just don't have, like I used to, like 10 years ago when I did chickens, I used to have my own little hatchet. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was the only place I could find locally. I've been using my boyfriend's fillet knife that he uses for deer hunting, but I kind of wanted to be like a big girl and have my own stuff, and I didn't want to spend like a fortune on things. Some of this stuff that was on like Runnings, they had some field dressing kits at Runnings, but they didn't deliver to my store or to my area for that particular product. So I looked at a couple of different places. LEM, or I guess Lem, had some, and then I found this one, which had good reviews on Amazon. Normally I wouldn't get knives from Amazon, but this is not always a good thing, right? But I'm really excited. I'm gonna open this up and do a quick unboxing for it. It comes with paper. There's nothing in this paper. I don't know what the point of this rolled up paper is, but for real, what is the point of this? Like, what is the point? Where does it start? I feel like I should be like pushing this in with a spoon and having it unwrap. Like, but well, what's the point of that? Of having cinnamon bun rolled up paper? Because it's coming in an actual box, I don't know why they have that paper in there. This is Lytactics Hunting Deer Processor Set. 12 pieces, brand new. It's not a used product, from Amazon. It was like 50 bucks-ish. It was Amazon Prime. So, we're gonna see if it's good. And then, something else that I like about it is it comes, and this is heavy, it comes in a nice little kit with plastic. I'm not going to be able to use the green screen for this. So I'm really excited. Plastic sticking to me. I'm really excited because I have a whole bunch of muscovy ducks that I need to do, and my boyfriend has an axe, but this arm, there's something going on with this arm, like right in here. It feels like bruised, but it's not. I feel like I may have like pulled like a tendon or something. I'm trying to kind of baby it a little bit, and I don't really like using the axe. I can still do everything, but it hurts more. This is my kit. What's it? So in our nice little carrying case, we have a cutting board. It's nice and sturdy for what it is. Yeah, it's nice and sturdy. And I'm gonna be butchering my ducks here soon. I've been waiting for this. I will be using these knives, and if you want me to do a video for it, I'm not sure if I want to, but I watch those videos, so I might just do it. How do I get these out? Okay, so this is the hatchet. Yeah, it's sharp, it's sturdy, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. It's got the, what do you call that when they put that there? The weld-free welding or something? I forgot what they call that. So it comes with the hatchet. I don't think I can express how excited I was to get this. Okay, so it's $49.77. The there you go. Alright, go. Yeah, it's a lot of knives. My camera died, so I had to take a pause here, go out, cover myself in hay outside in the barn, and then come back in. Okay, so this is I was wrong. It's $54.77 for this. Because I ordered it from my business account, I got a price of $49.79. So if you're ordering it from a business account, it was $49.77. For the regular price is $54.77. It's got a 12-inch boning knife, 9.5-inch gut hook skinner. Here, I'll just show you what it's got. The boning and fillet knife. They're in there pretty good. So there is a boning and fillet knife. It seems pretty sturdy. Hopefully you can see that. And when I went out, how do I get these out? They're in there pretty tight. So, all right, this is your gut hook skinner. So you've got the gut hook skinner. That's sharp. These are sharp. They're good. The Hawkbill blade knife. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not like a knife expert or anything like that. They're really nice, comfortable handles. Like, they're nice. I'm gonna have to do a video where I actually like process my ducks and see how they actually work. But I needed to get a knife kit so bad. A caping knife. Honestly, I'm gonna have to look and see what these are all for because I honestly don't know. Yeah, these are nice and sharp. The blade is sturdy, it's not moving. So, so I did a duck for my friend. And I brought the duck over, so I chopped off its head. She just said, bring it over to me dead. Okay, so I didn't have to like gut it or process it or anything like that. I brought it over to her house and she was gonna have her girlfriend do it. And her girlfriend was like, I don't know how, and I shouldn't be handling knives right now. So I was like, okay, I'll just do it. Go get me a knife. So they went and they got this knife. It was supposed to be made out of like military grade ceramic. This is what happened. This is what happened to the knife. And I was literally just carving into the duck meat. I wasn't chopping bones or anything like that. I was just debreasting it and pulling the skin away. And I pick up the knife and I'm like, this isn't what it looked like when I started, right? So I know you can get really, really bad knives, especially from Amazon. I'm hoping these will be good. I will leave a full review after I actually use them a couple of times. I am gonna have a ton of ducks to do because I've got way too many. This I was excited about. We don't have a cone to process the ducks with. We'll probably make a cone at some point in time. We just haven't gotten around to it, and I'm not spending like 80 bucks for a cone. That's not happening. So this is your hatchet or your axe. What do they call it? A gut hook butcher axe. Sounds good. Can you tell I don't know what I'm doing? Full disclaimer here, I'm not a knife expert, but I'm very picky when it comes to knives because like you ever get those like cheap kitchen knives and you get the cheap kitchen knives and next thing you know the handle's coming off and okay. The skinning cleaver. I don't really know what the holes are for. Somebody want, like, I figured those look like hex things, but if anybody wants to let me know in the comments what the holes are for, I would be more than happy to learn. No idea what they're for. And like I said, I'm literally looking at these to see the technical names of it because I'm not a knife person. Alright. They don't go in. You gotta push on it really hard. Okay, so you've got your bone saw. The bone saw is not as heavy duty as the knives. It doesn't have the same, like it's lighter. It doesn't have the same like makeup. It's not made out of the same stuff. So, and it also doesn't have the little screw that goes there that the knives have. So I'm gonna guess that the bone saw is probably not a high quality bone saw, but again, this is coming from my knowledge of exactly zero. You've got your rib cage spreader. Can I get it out? And don't take my lack of being able to get things out for anything because I have a hard time closing knives. I'm just being honest with you. I can't get the rib cage spreader out. It's in there. I'm not gonna deal with it. The rib cage spreader. Oh, that came out pretty easy. Okay, and there's your knife sharpener. Knife and shear sharpener. So it does the shears too. And game shears. It's still strong. And okay, in this little spot is what? What is in this bag? I have to look and see because I don't want to open it. Oh, so it's got cleaning gloves and long sleeve gloves. Wasn't expecting zip ties. Itty bitty zip ties. They're tiny little zip ties. They're so cute. Okay, regular gloves. I would say latex. And then I would say, I don't want to open these real quick. Does it smell good? Not perfumey, but it smells good. Okay, and then you've got long gloves. I will never wear these. Next week on Dexter's Laboratory. I can't see myself ever wearing these. That's why showers are a thing. But who knows? If you want some fancy schmancy Dexter gloves, they have those too. 2 pairs of Dexter gloves. It's literally a pair of gloves. That's all I'm trying to do is fold up a pair of gloves. I should not be having such a difficult time to do this. It's not how they came, but it's how they're going back. I'm just gonna put them all back in the bag here. What do I need zip ties for? By the end of the summer, we're gonna have a freezer full of duck. So I'm really excited about that. I don't know if we're gonna chicken this year. In the past, chicken meat was never, like it was cheaper in the store and not worth it to do it. But if I'm doing ducks anyways, that sounds so bad because I hate factory farms. But if I'm doing it anyways with ducks, why can't I just get the air out of this? Just go get flattened. If I'm doing this anyways, I might as well do the chickens. And I saw a place where Cornish cross are like 90 cents a bird online. If I do that, if I get them from there, I will give you a review on that and let you know how it went. But we went out to get chicken meat, just like regular boneless, skinless chicken breast, I think. And I've never seen chicken meat that expensive before. Totally unreasonable. So, but this is my little thing here. It says on here, deer hunting knife set. We provided a solid warranty and friendly customer service to make sure your purchase was worry-free. But I don't see anything in there about a warranty, so I don't know how true that is because there's nothing in the box that says, hey, here's a warranty. Unless it was hiding in here. Maybe this is the warranty scroll. It's written with invisible ink, perhaps. So make sure you're subscribed and follow this channel. I will be using these. I will do a video of my inexperienced self doing muscovy ducks. I've only done them a couple of times. I've done them twice by myself and once with my boyfriend, and chicken's a long time ago. So I'm definitely inexperienced, but I'm going to be doing a video to show you how well these knives work or don't work. And if you want to see more about muscovy ducks, come check over here. They're my favorite duck. You're going to love them.